Two trusted names in life insurance, one matchup you don't want to miss. Which one truly protects your future? On one side, the legacy giant Prudential, and on the other, the digital disruptor Haven Life. Let's cut past the marketing talk and see what really matters. We'll award points in each category, and at the end, you'll know exactly who takes the win. The final result could surprise you. Here, how we're going to sort this out. Picture a mind map. At the center, it's all about that choice between Prudential and Haven Life. And branching out, we're looking at the price and value application process, paperwork, right, financial strength, the different types of policies they offer, digital experience, and of course, that all-important customer service. Yup, we're covering all the bases. First up, price and value. So Prudential, honestly, they've got rock-solid financial ratings, plus some policies even let you earn dividends. And it's a big but, their premiums, especially if you go for those permanent life policies, can get a little up there. Now, Haven Life comes in swinging with lower, super competitive premiums. Want to avoid a medical exam? For a lot of applicants, you totally can. The trade-off is, well, they only do term life insurance, so if you want something fancier, you're out of luck. Still, for value, Haven Life really takes the cake here. Next, let's talk about applying. Nobody loves this part, right? With Prudential, if your needs are complicated or you want hand-holding, their agents are absolute pros. But man, the process can feel ancient. Lots of paperwork and waiting around for approval is just part of the deal. On the flip side, Haven Life is like instant gratification. The whole thing is online. Most people are approved in a day or two. No in-person agents, but honestly, if you just want to get covered and move on, it's hard to beat. So yeah, Haven Life comes out way ahead here. Moving on to financial strength, Prudential, can we just appreciate they've been around for over 145 years? They've got that A+ rating, and let's face it, companies don't survive this long without being super reliable. Haven Life, on the other hand, is a much newer player, but here's the twist: they're backed by MassMutual. That's an A++ rating, even a notch higher. But since Haven Life itself is relatively new, it carries just a touch less street cred. Still, if you want the old guard, Prudential wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Prudential issued its first policy back in 1875? That's like before the light bulb was even invented. Wild. Now for policy variety. With Prudential, you can get pretty much anything: term, whole, universal, survivorship, and all sorts of extra options. You do have to go through an agent for some of these, which is a little old school, but hey, if custom options are your thing, Prudential totally delivers. Haven Life keeps it simple, and maybe a little too simple. They only offer term life, no permanent policies, no riders, nada. So for people who like loads of choice, Prudential is easily the winner. Let's check out digital experience. Prudential, yeah, you can manage your account online, and that's cool. But for new applications, it's not all digital yet. You'll still run into some paper and people. Haven Life, though, is like 100% online. From quotes to claims, it's all digital, super smooth, and genuinely kind of fun to use, if insurance can ever be called fun. They could improve some support for complicated needs, but overall, for the digital crowd, Haven Life totally comes out on top. And finally, customer service. Prudential's got local agents, major trust, and decades, actually over a century of serving people. That said, some folks have grumbled about claims being slow, which is, not ideal. Haven Life is digital first, fast, straightforward support, and people actually say their claims process is easy, which you'd think would be universal, but not always. Only downside, no agents to hold your hand in person. So honestly, both serve their customers well, just in different ways. I'd call it a tie. Let's put this all together in a quick snapshot. If you looked at these two on a radar chart, you'd see Haven Life kind of stretching out on price, tech, and application speed, but they're pretty slim on policy options. Prudential, meanwhile, crushes it on variety and depth, solid as a rock for financial strength, though yeah, maybe a little clunky in the digital world. So here's my take. Prudential is perfect if you want the confidence of a century-old company and all the policy choices you could dream of, especially if you want to tweak every detail. But if fast, affordable term life is your thing and you want to do everything online, Haven Life is going to be a way better fit. It's kind of choosing between the comfort of the classics and the speed of the future. If you found this helpful, stick around, we've got more straight-up, honest comparisons coming soon. See you next time.